Hi guys, this is Marty Davis from MarineMax. I'm here today on a Harris Sunliner Sport. Stepping aboard, you can see that we have the moonlight pillow top seats. We've got some nice stitching down in there, some embroidery. Moving around to the helm station, we've got the JL zone finder here. Sorry about that. Simrad 9-inch screen. So you've got the JL subwoofers throughout the boat. You can step back. You've got the Sunliner single lounger at the rear. Has 3 positions. Stepping through. Nice ladder. 300 horsepower Mercury motor. Walk through the boat. You got your ski locker.